Ever wondered how you can grow your own ginger plants from store-bought roots? This venture is not only easy and rewarding, but also a step towards sustainable living. Imagine the aroma of fresh ginger wafting from your garden. Stay tuned as we delve into the step-by-step process of growing your own ginger plants. The first step is to choose the right ginger root. Look for roots that are plump and have smooth skin. The more eye buds, the better. Avoid roots that seem dried out or shriveled. Once you've got your perfect ginger root, it's time for the next step. Now that you have your ginger root, it's time to prepare it for planting. This step is crucial, so don't rush it. Submerge your ginger root in a bowl of water and let it soak overnight. This process hydrates the root, awakening it from dormancy and priming it for growth. It's like a gentle nudge, telling your ginger root that it's time to sprout. Remember, patience is key. This step ensures a strong and healthy ginger plant. With your ginger root soaked and ready, we move on to planting. Planting your ginger is an easy process, but it requires some care. Start by placing your ginger root in a pot with well-draining soil. Ginger thrives in warm, humid conditions, so ensure it gets plenty of indirect sunlight. Regular watering is essential, but be careful not to overwater as this could cause rot. Fertilize your plant regularly to promote healthy growth. With a little patience and care, your ginger plant will thrive. By following these steps, you'll have your own ginger plant in no time. Growing your own ginger plant from store-bought roots is a simple and rewarding process. We've walked through picking the right root, preparing it for planting, and nurturing it into a thriving plant. Remember, the key is to choose a plump, fresh root, prepare it carefully, and give it the right amount of sun and water. With patience and care, you'll have your own homegrown ginger in no time. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.